So there is a question. Are there multi-universes? Can I see them with this samyama? Yes. First thing, there are multi-universes. Not only multi, even the word multi is too small. Multi. Universes. That's the first thing. Second, you can see them through the samyama. You can see them through the samyama. I can tell you, I myself have seen with my eyes rishis and siddhas through the samyama. This Raghupati Yogi will make me lie down. My hip has to be on a rock, and my head will be down, and leg also will be down. I don't know the purpose. Still I am not able to find out why. Maybe from tomorrow, when you guys practice samyama, have one or two pillow just on the hip. You have to lie down on the back, but have one or two pillow for the hip. I do not know the reason, but this is what you used to do. You will always have a rock below my back, below my spine, especially the area where the Muladhara Swadhisthana. Back side you will put the rock, and I will have to lie down. The head will be down and the leg will be down. He used to put little big rock, at least 2 feet height rock, and that I will have to lie down. Maybe that was the rock which was near when he used to take me to do this samyama. He will ask me to lie down. You guys may not need 2 feet height, but maybe 2-3 pillows. But it should be down, and you should be able to gaze at the sky. That's the way it should be. So, anyhow, when I used to gaze, I used to do it for a long time. You guys can try, at least do 2 cycles, 42 minutes. But if you can, do even 1 or 2 hours. That's up to you. But do at least 42 minutes. It will be really very powerful. So, I have seen suddenly the very frequency of the body will change. Especially now you guys are going to fast and do. When you fast, your body changing your awareness, transcending the lower awareness and getting into the higher awareness is very easy. See, like when you want to change the gear in the car, if the gearbox is lubricated, the unclutching and changing the gear is very easy. Same way, if you are practicing this liquid diet during this samyama, the changing the gear and you falling into the higher and higher consciousnesses, that entering into the transcendental consciousness will be very strong, very quick. That is why the fasting is used as a powerful technique for enlightenment. I want all you guys to know, this is a very powerful process. When you do it along with this with the fasting, you will really be able to enter into the altered awarenesses, altered states of consciousnesses. Only thing you should take care that you should not get ulcer. Drink lot of juice and once talk to your doctor so that you take care of your health also. You should not have any disease, problem which will create gastric trouble or any other stomach ulcer or anything because of this fasting. That you need to consult once with your doctor. And take neem juice morning. That will take care of everything. That will take care of everything. I have seen in my life. Very easily you can fall into the higher states of consciousness when you fast and practice this kind of samyama. And I myself have seen the Siddhas, Rishis, Munis not just in this plane, in this cosmos, in the multi-universe, in the different universes. Your system enters into a suddenly different frequency. You will have the vision and darshan of them. They will appear in front of you. They will guide you. They will even talk to you. And many of your doubts can be clarified. Many of your experiences can become inspiration for enlightenment. So actually when you see a Siddha, or Rishi or Muni, what will you do? Naturally you will ask for enlightenment. Or you may ask for something. They will bless you and it will be a more inspiration. Even if you ask for the worldly things, it will be an inspiration. Once you get it, it will be an inspiration for you to have more and more spiritual practice and samyama and get enlightened. So I wanted all of you to know, there are multi-universes and I have seen them. I even saw some of their infrastructure, how they have roads, how they have traveling systems, how they travel, all those things I have seen. Maybe when time comes, I will describe all my Akashic experiences, Akashic recordings.
I trust in you, 'cause you know it's best for me to lead a blissful life, a life with no more strife. Can't believe the things I do, just to spend a little time with you, nothing will compare. I know you will take care.
You're always showing us compassion, your love is endless like an ocean.